Imagine a team that never sleeps, scales infinitely, and executes entire business processes. Microsoft's new AI agents aren't science fiction. They're here, and they're built to work alongside you, not replace you. Stick around because by the end, you'll see how they're reshaping industries and what makes them pure AI dope.
Imagine having this team, and they can scale infinitely.
Oh, wow.
They work 24/7.
Yeah.
No coffee breaks.
Yep.
That's what Microsoft is kind of like painting this picture of the future
Yeah.
with their latest announcement on AI agents.
It's not science fiction anymore.
It's not, is it?
Like, this is really happening.
This is real.
Microsoft is making huge waves with these two major updates.
Okay.
So first, they're opening up Copilot Studio to the public,
Okay.
which means now anyone can build their own AI agents.
Hold on, back up for a second.
Yep.
Copilot Studio, for those of us who aren't,
Right.
knee-deep in code every day, what are we talking about?
Yeah, so think of it like a really user-friendly workshop where you get to build AI.
Okay.
So before, if you wanted to create an agent, you would probably need like a whole team of engineers and coders.
Yeah, for sure.
But now with Copilot Studio, Microsoft is making it much more accessible. Like almost anyone can use it.
So you're saying, like, I could go create an AI assistant to, like, organize my inbox.
Right.
Just, like, sign me up.
It's not quite that simple.
Okay.
But you're getting the idea.
Okay.
So these AI agents aren't just responding to your requests, they're actually executing like whole business processes.
Whoa.
And for example,
Yeah.
Microsoft also announced 10 pre-built agents just for their Dynamics 365 platform.
Okay, now we're getting to the good stuff.
Yeah.
What can these agents actually do?
Right.
Give me the rundown.
Okay, so let's take Dynamics 365, which is basically a collection of business applications.
Right.
And imagine a sales team using it.
Okay.
So one of these new pre-built agents can actually qualify leads for you.
Really?
Yes, it goes through all the data,
Okay.
identifies those promising prospects, and then it frees up the human sales team so they can focus on closing deals.
It's like having, like, a super efficient assistant who never sleeps.
Exactly.
And they've got to be cheaper than,
Yeah.
a whole other person.
Saves you money.
And Microsoft is actually using these tools internally.
They're putting their money where their mouth is.
Okay.
So one of their sales teams reported a 9.4% increase in revenue per seller.
Wow.
And they closed 20% more deals after they started using Copilot.
Those are some impressive numbers.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got AI agents qualifying leads.
Mm-hmm.
What other tasks can they take care of?
Right. So there are companies like Pets at Home.
Okay,
They're a large pet care company in the UK.
got it.
And they're already seeing huge benefits
Oh.
from using AI agents.
Interesting.
So they created an agent specifically to help their profit protection team.
Okay.
And they're projecting millions in savings.
Wait, millions
Billions.
from one AI agent.
Yeah, it's incredible.
What is it doing? Like sniffing out shoplifters?
Well, not exactly. It's about efficiency.
Okay,
So this AI agent is analyzing tons of data
right.
to find potential profit loss cases, things that humans might miss or that would take them forever to find.
So instead of having like a team of 10 people, they can have like a team of 2 and this AI agent.
Precisely.
Internal.
It's like this. Instead of manually reviewing thousands of transactions,
Yeah.
their AI agent flags the ones that need a closer look.
Got it.
So it's really helping them prioritize.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So it's not really like replacing human jobs. It's more like,
Yeah,
giving them like a superpower boost with this AI.
exactly. It's
Yeah.
all about using AI for those like tedious tasks, the ones nobody really wants to do.
Right.
And then it frees up the human employees for like the more creative stuff,
Yeah.
the stuff that requires like actual thinking, strategy,
Yeah.
building relationship, like the really human stuff.
Yeah, that's a cool way to think about it.
Right.
Hey, want our free AI dope top AI tools that we use? Chat below. It's our live Google Sheets packed with over 100 killer tools, video, music, photos, AI voices, productivity, script writing, YouTube hacks, captions, the works, always growing, live Google Sheet, always free, AI, dope top AI tools that we use. Download and chat below. Back to the show.
And it sounds like Microsoft is really like pushing it to the limit with this Dynamics 365 launch.
Yeah, absolutely.
You mentioned they have like 10 pre-built agents ready to go.
They do.
What other departments can these things like change the game for?
Well, it's not just about sales and profit protection.
Okay.
Like, think about customer service for a second.
Okay.
Imagine an AI agent, and it's like the first line of defense for customer questions.
Right.
It handles those basic questions, you know?
Yeah.
It solves those easy problems.
The FAQs.
Exactly. And then if it's something super complicated,
Yeah.
then it goes to a human.
No more waiting on hold for like an hour.
Right.
Like just to reset a password or something.
Exactly.
That's great for everyone.
It is a win-win.
For sure.
And you know, it's not just about those customer-facing things.
Okay.
Like, what about supply chain management?
Okay.
Think about an agent that's always watching the inventory levels.
Uh-huh.
It can, like, predict problems before they even happen.
Ooh.
It can even be like, hey, maybe we should look at this other supplier
Right.
before things go totally crazy.
That's next level.
Right.
Like you're always ahead of the game.
Exactly.
But, you know, with all this AI stuff, it makes you wonder
yeah.
about, like, the downsides.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
The ethical side of things.
Well, Microsoft has been very clear that they're committed to responsible AI.
Okay.
They keep saying that they build these agents with security, privacy, all that in mind.
That's good to hear.
Yeah.
Because anytime you get new technology, you know,
Right.
you always worry about what could go wrong.
Exactly. And that's why we got to talk about it. We
Yeah.
have to make sure that AI is a good thing
Right.
for everyone.
So it sounds like things are about to change a lot
Yeah,
in the way we work.
for sure.
But, like, for people who aren't, you know, tech giants,
Right.
what does all this AI stuff mean for them?
That's a good question.
Should they be like, quick, build an AI army?
Well, not exactly. It's more about understanding what's happening,
Okay.
getting up to speed with this new reality.
Yeah.
The first step is just learning, you know,
All right.
figuring out what AI agents can do, what they can't do.
Knowledge is power, right?
Exactly. Especially with things changing so fast.
Yeah, that's true. And then once you've got the knowledge,
Yeah.
you can start looking for opportunities
Opportunities for what?
to use AI to make things better.
Okay, so like, how do I use an AI agent
Right, exactly.
to like improve my business?
Yes. Are there any tasks that you could automate?
Okay,
You know, free up your team to focus on the important stuff.
got it.
The
Well,
stuff that really matters.
So it's less about replacing and more about reimagining,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, exactly.
Like, how can we work with AI
Mm-hmm.
to make things better?
It's a collaboration.
Okay,
You and your AI agents working together
got it.
to achieve more.
But for like the average person,
Right.
this is kind of a lot to take in, right?
It is. It's a lot to process.
Where do we even start?
Well, I think instead of getting lost in the weaves,
Yeah.
like all the technical stuff,
Right.
just think big picture for a second.
Huh?
What are the biggest challenges you face?
In my business.
Yeah, in your business, in your life,
Okay.
what takes up most of your time? Because chances are,
Yeah.
there's probably an AI solution out there that can help.
So instead of like, you know, trying to go learn how to code an AI,
Exactly.
I should be thinking,
Yeah,
how could this technology solve my problems?
precisely. AI isn't some far-off thing anymore.
Right.
It's here,
It's happening.
and it's evolving so fast.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And the people who embrace it,
Mhm.
they're going to be the ones who really thrive.
It's like we're standing at the edge of like a whole new world.
It is. It's exciting.
A little scary, maybe.
Maybe a little, but mostly exciting.
Yeah.
It's a fascinating time to be into AI.
Yeah, it really is.
Because, like, the choices we make today
Right.
about how we use this technology.
Mm-hmm. It's going to shape everything.
Exactly.
There really is a lot to think about.
It is.
But, you know, it's going to be interesting.
Absolutely.
That's the one thing we know for sure.
So, as we kind of wrap up this deep dive,
Yeah.
what's, like, the one thing you want people to remember?
Don't be afraid of AI.
Okay.
Dive in.
Yeah.
Learn about it. Play around with it.
Got it.
Start thinking about the possibilities.
Imagine.
Yeah, because the future is here.
It's happening.
And it's powered by AI.
It is. It really is some exciting stuff.
It is.
Well, thanks for,
Yeah, for all.
walking us through all this.
Happy to be here.
And to everyone listening,
Yes.
we'll leave you with this.
Okay.
If AI agents can already do all this stuff,
Right.
what are they going to be able to do?
Yeah, what's next?
5, 10 years from now?
It's crazy to think about.
It really is. That's something to think about.
And if you want another AI deep dive, check this next video and ask, am I really living in these AI dope times?